Hello everyone. Salamat sa pag-invite nga makabuhat ko ani nga video. Thank you. I want to greet everyone, and especially to my dear sister Lorna, a happy 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Lorne. Best wishes. Wishing you always best of health. Thanks be to God for another year of great blessings. Na-miss na nako inyong celebration today. Enjoy lang mo diha. Have fun and amping kanunay. Lorne, amping yun in town. Dugay para ba ko mauli? Sige na, okay. Happy birthday. Miss you. Miss you all. Miss you everyone. I miss everybody.
Happy birthday, Lawrence, my BFF since elementary days. Wishing you all the best. I love you.
Hi, Sister Lorna. I wish you a happy 70th birthday. May you have many more to celebrate. Lord, I wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Together with your family and us, your friends. I love you, Lord. Happy birthday.
Hi, Auntie Lauren. Happy 70th birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. Your kindness, wisdom, and the life you've shared with others are truly something to celebrate. May this next chapter brings happiness, good health, and many more beautiful moments together. And wish you all the best. See you soon. See you guys soon. Tirol family. And take care. Happy birthday again.
Hello, hi. We're here to greet Auntie Lorna. Happy 70th birthday. Thanks be to God for another year of great blessings. Enjoy your day, Lorne. We missed the celebration. And take care always of yourself. Best of health always.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lauren.
Happy birthday, Uncle Lawrence.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lauren.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy the celebration. Bye.
Lord, happy birthday! 70th birthday. Look at that. Be thankful for him. Oh, many more birthdays to come and good health always. Love you.
Hi Lorna, wishing you a happy and blessed birthday. I hope you have a nice day and God bless always. Love you. Bye.
Hi Lorna, this is Rose, your BFF since high school up to college and up to now, that we belong to the handmaids of the Lord. Lord, I wish Lorna to have many more birthdays to celebrate and more blessings to come on her way. Lord, this is your 70th special day. I hope you will celebrate it with more laughter and bonding with your family. Wishing you again and more birthdays. Happy birthday, Lawrence. Bye.
Hi Manat.
Hello, Manat.
Happy 70th birthday, Manat. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. May God bless you with good health, many more happy years ahead.
Congratulations on your big milestone, Manat. Happy birthday.
See you soon.
Enjoy your day.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lawrence.
Happy birthday, Lola.
We miss you. We miss you guys. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lorne. Happy birthday. 70 na gyud ta, day. Be happy. 70 na ta. Niabutan ning idara. Okay, enjoy life lang gyud ta, day, ha? And be peaceful. Peace of mind lagi, day. Pasensya na to sa atong mga bana. Happy birthday, Lorne. We love you. Bye.